April, back to you.
All right, Robert Gray at the NASDAQ market site. Thank you. More now on a story that broke just a few minutes ago that we told you about. The U.S. Patent and Trademark Office issues a final rejection of one of two patents found to be infringed by Research in Motion's BlackBerry email system. The move bolsters the company's efforts to head off a service shutdown. The Patent Office said the rejection was mailed today without giving details. Patent owner NTP Incorporated can appeal to a Patent Office board, then to court. Let's get reaction to this news. We have Derek Curtin, a wireless telecom consultant with the Curtin Group, on the telephone. Derek, thanks very much for joining us.
My pleasure. Glad to be here.
What do you make of this particular news that we just heard? We know the stock has been moving higher since the news was released.
Definitely good news for Research in Motion. It's also a little bit of gaming, I think, between the Patent Office and the judicial system, where the Patent Office is kind of steering the hand of the judicial system by letting them know which way they're going to rule on these patents, whether they're valid or not.
What do you think at this point NTP does next?
Well, NTP's path is pretty clear. They're going to go to court this week under Judge Spencer and try to get him to go ahead with an injunction, which would probably have a 30-day delay before it goes into effect, which would put an iron to the fire for RIM and make them really go towards negotiating a settlement. That's their best hope. Alternatively, back at the Patent Office, NTP is going to appeal the rejection of these patents, a process that could take another couple of years.
What's your best guess from what we know now? What happens if you have BlackBerry service?
Well, my best bet has been for quite some time that if BlackBerry service is going to keep running, because even if we go right to the brink, we're going to come to a settlement before they shut that service down. It's just too valuable a service for Research in Motion to let be shut down. But it looks to me like the ball's in the RIM's court right now, with this Patent Office repeatedly rejecting and giving preliminary rejection of the patents. RIM's in a stronger and stronger negotiating position, and in fact, the Patent Office has put pressure on Judge Spencer to either delay the proceedings or certainly to not have an injunction on what could very likely be invalid patents.
Derek, we'll end it there. Thanks very much for getting on the phone and explaining this. Derek Curtin, wireless telecom consultant with Curtin Group. We'll be back.